Si Jay, kumakain ng gulay. Si ate ay masarap magluto. Nanood ako ng TV kagabi. Si Zack ay naliligo araw-araw. Si Navat and Zav ay masayang namamasyal. Papel na puso. Ika-14 ng Pebrero, araw ng mga puso. Kumuha si Mario ng papel na pula. Gumupit siya ng hugis puso. Ibinigay niya ito sa kanyang guro. First day of school. Back to school. My name is Jonas. Today is my first day of school. I am a little nervous. I am going to school by bus. I hope to see my best friend, Kyle, in school. He helped me a lot with different sticks. I am nervous, but I am excited to meet my best friend, teacher, and new friend.
May tulog doon.
Yan na Dion Aquino.
Very good.
Sige. Wala ka, nawala ka.